Part 6. It's time to get the rest of the front end tied in. We're going to design, fabricate, and install the radius arm plates, as well as the actual radius arms and all of the tubes and brackets that support them. If you remember that plate that we made earlier with the shocks and the steering and everything attached to it, well, the back of that is the front of this assembly, if that makes any sense. Just behind these gauges. These bars are going to run through the body of the jet and out the bottom to give us a spot to mount our system and pick up some additional mounting points along the way. I used BendTech software to lay out my bends and a Rogue Fab bender for all the rest of the dirty work. This is what we got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit those buttons, those special magical buttons, so you can keep yourself locked into what we got going on in the shop. This little birdie's only going to get cooler by the day. Stick around.